Welcome you guys! Today we will learn how to make this beautiful crochet granny square with a heart in the middle. We will start by working or making the heart, then working around to create this square shape. We will start by making a magic circle. I always find it hard to start with magic circles. I don't know if it's just me or it happens for you too. Chain 3. This will be our first double crochets. Then add the second double crochet, add the third one, chain 2, make 3 double crochets inside the magic circle, always working inside the magic circle, chain 2, make 3 double crochets, chain 2, then the final 3 double crochets. Chain 2, and we are done with the first row, so close it with a slip stitch, tighten the magic circle, and move into the next stitch using a slip stitch. Chain 1, then we will work in the next loop creating 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now chain 1, and in the next loop make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and skip 1 single crochet and stitch 1 single crochet in the next one, add another one, so we have 2 single crochets, 1 chain, then in the same stitch we will make another 2 single crochets. Chain 1, and in the next loop make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and in the next loop we will be making 8 double crochets. This is the first one, the second one, the third, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we will close this row after making 1 chain Then inserting the hook from the first stitch we started with and making one slip stitch. Now we will change the color. I'm going to use white yarn and this is the heart that we will be working around. Now start with a slip stitch and we will start from the bottom of the heart where we made that chain. If you remember, we created 2 single crochets, then 1 chain, then added another 2 single crochets. Inside the chain we will make a slip stitch, then the same chain. We will start from the same chain, work in the back loops of each chain, make 1 single crochet. In the next loop, make half double crochet. In the next loop, a double crochet, then a treble crochet, chain 2. In the next loop, make 1 double crochet, then in the next loop, a half double crochet. In the next loop, a single crochet, add 3 single crochets, so we will have 4 single crochets, always working in the back loops. Chain 2, then make 1 single crochet in the next loop, the second single crochet, the third one, and the fourth single crochet. Now we will be making a double crochet inside the stitch where we started the previous row, right here. Make 1 double crochet. Now we will repeat the same pattern. Here you have to make sure to get the stitch or the chain, the back loop of the chain, separating both 8 double crochets. It's hard to find, but look for it. Make 4 single crochets, then 2 chains, then we will add another 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make half a double crochet, a double crochet, then chain 2, we will make a treble crochet in the next loop, then a double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and the second single crochet, and we will be closing with a slip stitch. We will end up with this square shape around the heart. Now you can see why we were working in the back loops, because we wanted the heart to have this edge. Start with 3 chains, then add 2 double crochets in the same stitch, chain 1, the next loop of the corner, make 3 double crochets, chain 2, then make another 3 double crochets, this will be the corner of the square, chain 1, then we have 6 stitches here in the middle, make 3 double crochets, chain 1, then in the next loop make 3 double crochets, chain 2, make 3 double crochets in the same loop, chain 1, and in the middle here make 3 double crochets, chain 1, in the next loop make 3 double crochets, chain 2, make 3 double crochets in the same loop, chain 1, then in the middle 3 double crochets, 1 chain, 3 double crochets, two chains, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and we are done. We only need to close this row with a slip stitch right here. And this is how to make a hard granny square. It's easy, it's fun, and you can use it in multiple projects. You can make a baby blanket, you can make a cardigan, you can make anything you want using this pattern. See you in the next video.